Hi friends, it's dinner time. My wife made sweet chili chicken.
Let's play it together. It's so funny that my fiance, but we call each other husband and wife, but he is so awkward talking into the camera, but it's funny, he used to talk into the camera a long time ago. But we're gonna start off with white jasmine rice. Let's do this here. I'll give you a little bit off the top. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're good. Go ahead. Good. It's funny how nervous and awkward my fiance gets when doing these videos for or with me. So I just wanted to throw that out there. It's so funny and so cute. So this is the sweet chili chicken. I put it in flour, egg, and then I used pork rinds instead of breadcrumbs. And then I made the sweet chili sauce myself. So this is all homemade. Ooh. Is that good? Some good rice. So because this is a little spicy, I also made Maverick a little bit of chicken and beans on the side. And here, he's like, what is that? Don't touch this one. This one's hot, okay? And then I also made garlic green beans. This also has spice on it, so that's why I made his completely different from ours. And then I'm just gonna top it off with some sesame seeds. Here's Maverick's dinner. All right, and that's our dinner. Y'all have a good night, and we'll catch you on the next video.